So get out page 9 from your packet. Oh, by the way, put that practice page inside your folder because you're going to need it in a minute. And get out page 9, which is the answer key for set G. This is what answer keys look like. Now, you'll notice that the one on the screen is in green. Right? It's a colored answer key. So, and you notice the timing is blanked out because the peer tutors don't need to have the answers to the timing. Otherwise, people will be inclined to start completing their timing before their time. But why is this in color? Well, you want to copy the practice sheets in packets A to Z and in colored paper. Okay? And I'm going to show you why this is important in a second. But so there's answers, practice answers. You print those out, make them in packets. Each student will get a packet that goes with the operation that they're on. Okay? The reason they're in packets is because you don't want to have to go getting extra sheets when the student passes a level. You just want to get practice sheets, but you don't have to change the answer key. The other thing is the answer key is kept in the folder because you might have somebody else who could come and help you work with a kid, and somebody else who could practice with him. And so he just takes his folder and goes, and he has the answer key needed for whoever he practices with. Also, if you have a kid who's in a different operation, so you have the first graders in division, he has a division packet in his folder. It doesn't matter who in the class he practices with, he'll be able to give them the answer key that works for him. So that's important. So you make them into portable A through Z packets. And why is it important that they be in color? For this reason. The students practice in pairs. And when you look around the room, you want to know that in each pair of students, one has an answer key and one doesn't, right? If they're both white, you can't monitor as well. Can you see that? If everybody has white sheets, you look across the room, you can't tell whether they're doing what they should or not. And what you find is you go out and some kids both have answer keys and they're just pretending to practice, and others don't have it. Neither one of them has an answer key, and they don't realize that they can't do the job of correcting. And literally that's what happens. If you put them on colored paper, it doesn't matter what color, it just has to not be white.